My name is Cassio, and I'm project manager of Advanced Flooring Removal. We are doing demolition here, and we have tile and carpet tile demolition. We have to take it out the tin set. We have to take it out all glue from the carpet tile and take care with the debris and stuffs. Okay, this is an old place. It's a church. I don't know when they built the church, but probably the tile here was since the beginning. So they're really old stuffs and they want to put a really beautiful marble instead. So on this project specifically was the date to start. So they asking us to come in and start Monday, which is today. But after the contract signed, they asking us to start before that. And we made it happen. We were here like 5 days before, and today was supposed to be the start day, and we have like 80% of the project done already. This is a big project. It's a 10,000 square feet floor in demolition. So step by step, we start with preparation. So we have a plastic everywhere. So we have to take care where the fans goes, the AC, the filters. We have to make sure this all covers to bring to them like the best experience they had in demolition. So from the beginning is preparation, plastic, and then turn up the tiles and carpet tiles. The next step is the final clean, which is the most important thing for us. So we're gonna deliver this ready for the next step. All right, the plastic that we're seeing is because it's expensive things and we are not able to move, because as we can see, it's big stuffs and expensive stuffs and important stuffs. So whatever we're not able to move, we're gonna cover and make sure there's 100% cover and no dust everywhere. My name is Cassio. I'm with Advanced Flooring Removal, and if you're looking for have a project done like this, give us a call.